Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save your friend's WhatsApp status directly to your phone's gallery. So whether it is on photos or videos, you can just go ahead and jump right into the video and let's get started. Open up WhatsApp for that and log in into your account, and you can go to the status tab, go over to updates, tap on it. And once you head over to the update section, here you will be finding the status section view with the section where you can view the photo or the video status that you want to see. So you can just go ahead and look out for the video or the status that has been uploaded and make sure you watch it completely because sometimes WhatsApp temporarily downloads it to your phone. So you can just go ahead and go to the chats first and go to the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. From here, go to settings and open it up. And once you are over here, you can go to the chats and turn on this media visibility so that the newly downloaded media will be available in your device's gallery. After that, go to the update section and go over and tap on it. And once you go over here, you can just go and look out for that in your gallery. If not, you can try screenshotting it instead for easier access. That is also the way that is possible. Apart from that, you can even go ahead and try screen recording it. So if there is a video available, you can just go and screen record it. That is also the way possible if you want to save your friend's WhatsApp status directly to your phone's gallery. And apart from that, if you want an easier method, you can use different third-party applications such as Status Solver for WhatsApp or Status Download that will automatically detect the friend's viewed status and let you save with one tap. And that's it. So now you can save WhatsApp status to your gallery easily on your device. So if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.